We are in week 4. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right? So, week 3, we went over marketing strategy, right? And building a marketing campaign. So, now we're going to get to the fun stuff. This is leveraging AI tools for marketing. When I started in marketing, there were no AI tools. Actually, when I started in marketing, there was no internet. But I'm not going to age myself. I'm not going to age myself. Anywho, AI tools. Let's get back at it. So, leveraging AI tools in marketing is truly, truly a game changer because it allows you to cut out a lot of people. And that is so important as a solopreneur or a very small startup entrepreneur because your budget is like -0 to keep it real. Like you have no budget. Some people might have a budget, but I've never had a budget, right? So I had to do things on my own, right? So a part of that was really great when AI popped out. I was immediately on that because I was like, okay, I can do everything myself, right? So a huge part of using AI to help you to streamline your processes in marketing and that kind of thing is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a game changer. But if you want to use that for graphic images, which is amazing, because that will allow you to prompt and get custom graphics with your branded colors in it. Game changer, right? Okay, so the key to prompt engineering is really having a brain that has the ability to describe something in a T. Say, for instance, if I wanted to make an image of a person in my brand that looked like me, I would go through and describe everything in the prompt about myself. Okay, wavy hair, shoulder length, black glasses, caramel skin. With prompt engineering, one thing that we always have to factor in is if you want any ethnic people, it is going to pop out a stereotype. Chances are, it's a high chance that you are going to get a stereotype at your initial prompt. But once you start to prompt more, whichever platform you're using will get used to you prompting and it will start to adapt itself to what you like, which is just, that is like chef's kiss, as they say. Anywho, I'm big on prompt engineering. It is my thing, but these are the things that will be a game changer for you. In Canva, there's a prompt engineering channel. I don't use that as much, but I'm not sure if that's a part of the free services or a paid service. I have a feeling that it's a part of a paid service. However, there are some other platforms out here you can use for graphic design or image prompting, right? And even graphic design prompting, right? But I don't believe those. You might be able to get a free trial with some of them. I'm a fan of Midjourney. Personally, I would suggest that one. But just get your hands in there with that prompt engineering, right? Start to describe something down to when you create prompting for images for people, right? You want to describe exactly how they look, how you want your person to look, whether they're smiling, whether they're frowning, the expression on their face, their complexion, their eyes, their hair, their nose. Explain everything. And it will give you an amazing custom image. And also make sure you use your branded colors. So the people in your images or the colors in the background of your images will actually have your branded colors on it. This is super exciting. Feel free to reach out to me, jump in the comments on these discussions, and let's talk about it. If you have any questions, feel free to jump in and just ask me.